So this is my assignment for adaptive learning. So adaptive learning is a computer-based and/or online educational system that modifies the presentation of materials in response to student performance. So pretty much, the best-of-breed systems capture fine-grained data and use learning analytics to enable human tailoring of responses. The Associated Learning Management Systems (LMS) provide comprehensive administration, documentation, tracking, and reporting for progress and user management. And I found this definition from Dreambox Learning. So for mine, I chose to use Smart Sparrow, which is an EdTech education technology startup. It's actually based in Australia, and it's an adaptive learning technology incubated within the Adaptive Learning Research Group at the School of Computer Science and Engineering at the University of New South Wales in Sydney. So adaptive learning is an educational method used as computers, interactive teaching devices, adapting educational materials according to students' learning needs. Well, we already went over the definition, so I'll move on to what Smart Sparrow actually entails. So Smart Sparrow software tools, known collectively as the Adaptive e-learning platform, are a web-based suite that develops adaptive learning content and applications, deploys that material to students, and analyzes how students learn from their responses to the material. The platform implements an intelligent tutoring system that combines constraint-based modeling with model tracing. Smart Sparrow is a course building platform for adaptive courseware. The courseware includes student and course analytics and allows for integration of virtual labs and simulations. The good thing about Smart Sparrow, unlike other adaptive learning platforms, it has adaptive capabilities that do not use predefined algorithms. Rather, instructors can create the adaptive rules themselves that are used to show content and the type of feedback that they want to give to their students, based on variables such as time on page or number of question attempts. In addition, Smart Sparrow offers pre-made science courses and curriculum design services. So, Smart Sparrow, I would use this in my classroom as a learning pathway for students to flow through a lesson's content. The pathway adapts based on same adaptivity factors. For example, students show an understanding of the content and the fast-tracked, while students who demonstrate specific misconceptions may be redirected to remedial content that addresses these misconceptions. So the Smart Sparrow platform is the tool that I would use to create and deploy, analyze, and share adaptive lessons. The process I would take would create adaptive lessons with two steps. The first one would be setting up the screens for my lessons, and the second one would be authority adaptivity. I think this would be good for my class because I can build branching in lessons so that when learners have no problem showing expertise in the subject that we're doing, they can skip and repeat materials or exercises. And on the other hand, those who are newer to this will get the opportunity to learn. Adaptive learning is truly personalized, and it's the kind that I would love to build in my classroom in the future. Here are my references. Thank you.